we're gonna do this quick, so video isn't too long. Well, all these lights are off, but there was a fridge in the garage, and then, is this one? No. There's a fridge in here. Well, actually, it's a Sub-Zero wine fridge, so we'll count it as a fridge. And then, is there a fridge there? Okay, there's two, so we're at 3. I think this might be one. Okay, so far just 3. Oh my gosh. So we got 3. That one, 4. This isn't 1, is it? Ah, 5. I don't think there's 1 in there. We're at 5. All right. 5. 6, 7. 8. Crap, I thought there was 10. So 8, right? I guess there's just 9. Man, which one was I missing? I counted 10 last time. Oh well.